Okay guys, how's it going? Well, I'm at the car show here today. I'm just too excited. If everybody knows him here, he's a very, very popular, well-known in the car show scene. But look at those puppies over there. So yeah, just here in Coldstream today. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I'll show you the rain area. So hope it doesn't rain. So we've got strawberry, we've got a little strawberry shop over here, strawberries. We've got a Thai restaurant over here, some Thai food. And we've got a burger shop over there, burger shop. And we've got some of those classic cars coming down here now. So I'll go over to go over here. Look at these puppies. So it's a Charger. Exactly the same two Chargers here. And we've got a Ford Fairlane 500 over here. Look at that. There. Got a Valiant there. And a Valiant there. Man, this is awesome steps today for the, I guess some old cars coming through here now. Look at this thing here. This is a 49 Chev. It's Fairlane Sport Scoop. Stay tuned for all these cars coming up. It's only 3:30. Cars coming about 5:30. They'll be coming in. So and this is a taste of what's coming. So yeah, stay tuned. All the cars coming. Catch ya. Oh, it's a nice studio, man. Oh. G'day guys, how's it going? Well, there's a lot of cars are here, so I'm going to go around and show you some of the cars, what we have. All sorts of American cars, Aussie cars, Fords, Holdens, and a lot of Yankees also. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I really appreciate it for the subscribers and all the followers. Going for 1,000, I really appreciate it. Thank you. It's cold here, I'm freezing here. So yeah, I'll show you some of the cars and we'll go from there. Oi!
What are you doing?
The video.
Oh.
That's it guys from the car show today here at Coldstream from Mr. Excited. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. And we'll talk to you soon. All right, thank you for everything. Hope you enjoy the car show. Bye-bye.